In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Calendly event link. By the end, you'll have a clean professional link that anyone can use to book time with you without the email back and forth. All you need is access to your Calendly account and the event type you want to make available. Start by logging into your Calendly account in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the right workspace if you use Calendly for different teams. Once you're in, you'll be on your dashboard. From here, head to the scheduling page. This is where all your event types live, such as a 30-minute meeting or any custom session you've set up. Think of event types as templates. Each one holds its own duration, availability, and buffers, and each one gets its own shareable link. Find the event type you want people to book. On its card, you'll see a few actions. Look for the Copy Link button and click it. Calendly will copy that event's unique booking URL straight to your clipboard. If you're not sure it worked, you can paste it into a new browser tab to preview the booking page. This is a quick way to confirm the event details and times look right before you share it widely. Now you're ready to share. Paste the link into an email when someone asks for your availability and add a short message like, "Choose a time that works for you." You can also drop it into your social media profiles or posts if you regularly invite bookings there. On your website, add the link to a button or text that says, "Book a meeting." And don't forget your email signature. Placing the link there makes it effortless for contacts to schedule time with you without any extra steps. A few quick tips to make sharing smoother. Give a little context whenever you share the link so people know what they're booking and how long it will take. If you work across time zones, mention that Calendly automatically adjusts to your invitee's local time, which reduces confusion. It's also a good idea to test the link in a private or incognito window so you can see exactly what your invitees will experience. If you ever update the event type's settings, like duration or availability, the link stays the same, and your booking page will reflect the changes immediately. That's all it takes. Log in, find your event type on the scheduling page, copy the link, and share it wherever your audience will see it. With this simple workflow, you'll spend less time coordinating and more time meeting.